You're lucky. It's going to be fantastic. We've got to edit the sound out because there might be some F words. You destroyed it all.
Yeah. No, that was good footage. I actually sent that one over to my dad because I was driving that day. So
Good.
I think
Cricket in here.
What sort of engine's in this one, mate?
it's a big noisy one.
Is it a GM?
It is.
Or has it got 16 cylinders?
12.
Is it 12 cylinders? Has it got a big blower thing on the top? Sounds like a 16.
Yeah, she's 16.
Sure.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a big long one.
That's like
So what's the horsepower? Just one of these,
3,300.
right? And at Vortex, how many 1,000 tons of coal do you pull?
On this one today, what'd you work it out at? 3,380 odd.
Right. And the grade at Zig Zag is about 1 in 40, isn't it?
That's correct.
What's the radius of the curve?
Pi r squared.
3.1416.
Don't get me on here. I'm sort of mixed up. I've got City Rail, Hacknet, City Rail. Bluey type one too.
Actually, I was just looking at the cover the other day up there.
Yeah, the yellow underline.
Billy there.
Oh, they pick you for it.
And did McDonald's drop off every 100 metres, 100 miles or so?
Yeah, it'd be nice if we could organise that. But,
Look at what I've got.
But they don't.
They're really fucking different, that.
So you have lunch on board? You bring your own lunch, or is it a microwave job, or what?
No, they used to...
Soup and toast.
Yeah, soup and toast, that's
Soup and
about it.
toast.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, the old GLs used to have microwaves in them.
Yeah. But you know what? Bloody one bloke complained. Because there wasn't microwaves on all the locos, you either wanted them on all of them or on none of them, so they pulled them out.
I'm an idiot.
Yeah.
Where is he now? We don't need him.
He's back sweeping the yards.
Okay.
Just demonstrate the levers. I don't actually demonstrate
No, I
them,
can't do very much with them at the moment.
Point to them and tell me.
This here, this is your reverser. This selects forward or reverse. Throttle, 8 notches, full throttle, and idle at the moment. Dynamic brake, form of braking with it. 26L brake valve. This one here is automatic brake. Pull this one on to apply the brakes on the rake of wagons. And this is the independent brake for the brakes on the locomotive.